Good morning, beta. Let's start with the revision, and in this revision, we are going to start with the case study of the chapter pair of linear equations. Case study we are doing. Beta, in the case study, you have given some condition and you have to just answer the following question. The questions will be depend upon the concept that we have already done in the chapter, but the statement that you have to use is the statement that is given above. And the concept will be same that we have already discussed in the chapter. So the path of the two railway track, as you know that this is the pair of linear equations are given, the graph has already drawn, and this graph has been changed into the statement, the path of the two railway tracks has been drawn in the figure. The equations of the two lines are this that I've already written. First line represent your first equation, second line represent your second equation. Okay, and this point of intersection is given. What does this point mean? This means that this line is meeting the y-axis at 0, 2 and x-axis at 4, 0. Can we find the value of k by using these two values? Can we find the value of k? Yes, because these two values are the solution of this line and they will definitely satisfy this. If you put 0 at the place of x and 2 at the place of y, then you will be able to get this k if you need to find it. Now look here, the first part is find k. The condition is given. These values are given, you have to find it. What type of graph is this? This is parallel line graph, and in case of parallel line, the situation is no solution. So no solution के लिए system of equation में कैसी condition होती है? A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 is not equal to C1 by 2. Now solve this. 1 by 2 is equal to K by 4 is not equal to 1 by 3. Solve this. The value of K is 2. Value of K is 2. Okay. And further, if you don't want to use this condition, you can directly use this value as I've already told you that 0, 2 is the solution of x plus 4 k y minus 4. So value of x is 0, y is your 2k minus 4 equal to 0, k is equal to 2. If you find by this method or by the condition, the answer will be same. Yes, beta, listen to me once again. You have given the two railway tracks, the graph of the railway track that is in the form of a linear equation that is already drawn. This line is meeting y-axis at 0, 2 and x-axis at 4, 0. As you can see that the graph is having parallel line type solution. So that means the system of equation has no solution. And you can find the value of k by using the condition that I have already shown to you before this. Either you will use that method, you can use the condition, or in the second method, you can put these values in the equation because both the values are lying on the graph and the coordinate which lie on the graph are the solution of the equation. So if you put x as 0, y as 2, the answer is again k as 2. As you have seen in the first part also, when we have done the condition, when we have used the condition, answer was same. Second, the coordinate of the line, this second line, cut x-axis and y-axis respectively. You have to tell me the point. Coordinates were given actually. इसके पार्ट्स गिवन थे, मैंने नहीं लिखे, वो ज्यादा थे पार्ट्स बहुत सारे. तो आप पहले फाइंड कर लो, फिर बता देते हैं आपको. आपको कहते हैं ये जो सेकेंड इक्वेशन है, ये एक्स एक्सिस और वाई एक्सिस पे कहाँ मीट कर रही है, आपने ये पॉइंट निकालना. एज यू नो दैट if a line is meeting x axis, then its y coordinate must be 0. So put y is equal to 0 in this equation. So this is 2x minus 12 equal to 0, x is equal to 6. So your first coordinate is 6, 0. And let's find the another coordinate. This line is meeting x-axis at 6, 0. And if you want to find this coordinate, what you will do? सहज, what you will do? आपको कैसे पता चलेगा ये पॉइंट y एक्सिस पे कट कर रहा है? उसके लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा?
यस मैम।
मैंने यहाँ पे 0 क्यों पुट किया है? मैंने यहाँ पे ये 0 क्यों पुट किया है? क्योंकि x एक्सिस पे y कोऑर्डिनेट 0 होता है और y कोऑर्डिनेट पे x एक्सिस क्या, x कोऑर्डिनेट क्या होता है? y एक्सिस के ऊपर x का कोऑर्डिनेट 0 होता है। तो ये वाला पॉइंट निकालने के लिए आपको x 0 पुट करना पड़ेगा।
ओके मैम।
बच्चे ये जो कंसेप्ट है ये आपकी 7th 8th क्लास का है कि x एक्सिस के ऊपर y कोऑर्डिनेट हमेशा 0 होता है। जब भी आपने यहाँ पे पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन निकालना है x एक्सिस या y के साथ, x एक्सिस के साथ निकालना है तो y को 0 पुट करना है, y एक्सिस के साथ निकालना है तो x को 0 पुट करना है। Put x is equal to 0. If you put x as 0, this will become 0. 4y is equal to 12, y is equal to 3. So your coordinate becomes 0, 3. Why I have written 0 before and in this 0 afterwards? Because x coordinate will be written first, y coordinate will be written at the second place. So here x is 6 and y 0, and in this x is 0, y is 3. So this second line meet x axis and y axis at 6, 0 and 0, 3. So you will check this option in the MCQs and you will pick that option. Now find the area of the shaded portion. The area that I have shaded here, you have to find the area of this. Yes, who will tell me how you will find the area of this shaded portion? Imani, Gurkirat. Yes, Imani, can you tell me how you will find the area of this shaded portion? Divita, Chiang, Diksha.
इसका एरिया फाइंड आउट करके बाहर वाले का फिर जो अंदर बन रही है उसका फाइंड आउट करेंगे। बाहर वाले से अंदर वाली माइनस कर देंगे तो शेडेड पोर्शन का एरिया आ जाएगा।
वेरी गुड। आप ये देखो, आपके पास ये बड़ा ट्रायंगल बन रहा है, पहले इसका एरिया निकाल लो। ये पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन है 6, 0, ये 0, 3। पहले इसका एरिया निकाल लो, फिर छोटे वाले ट्रायंगल का एरिया निकाल लो। बड़े ट्रायंगल में से छोटे वाले ट्रायंगल को रिमूव कर दो, यू विल गेट द एरिया ऑफ द शेडेड पोर्शन। व्हाट इज द एरिया ऑफ द बिगर ट्रायंगल? हाफ इंटू बेस is 6, height is 3, that is 9. Area of the small triangle, half, base is ये 4 है ना, and height is 2. Answer is 4. 9 minus 5, 9 minus 4 is 5. ये option correct. Okay, now you have to tell me the pair of linear equations are consistent. Consistent means you are getting solution. Inconsistent means you are not getting any solution. Consistent and dependent means solution भी मिल रहा है, and the line dependent means the lines coincide one another. That is infinitely many solutions. इसमें एक solution मिल रहा है, consistent के साथ यहाँ dependent भी है, मतलब consistent मतलब solution भी मिल रहा है, लेकिन dependent मतलब infinite solution मिल रहा है. And next is none. So in this you can see that we are not getting any solution, no solution. So this is inconsistent. Okay. Now here the fifth part is you have given इस point का name है A, ये point है B, ये point है O. आपके पास angle दिया हुआ है ABO, ये angle 30 degree. Can you tell me this angle? This angle is 30. You have to find this missing angle. Options were given, but I have not written. Who will tell me? Angle ABO is 30. means this angle is 30. You have to find this angle BCO. ये angle find करना है.
मैम 30 आएगा इसका आंसर आई थिंक.
Why बेटा? Tell me the reason.
Angles.
Yes, as these two lines are parallel, this angle is 30, then this angle will also be 30 because they are corresponding angles. There are two examination rooms, A and B. Some students are sitting in A room and some are sitting in room B. If 10 students are sent from A to B room, such that the students are same in both the rooms. After sending the students from A to B room, the students become same. The total number of students in both the rooms will be same. Represent the equation in two variables. 5 questions were given. I have written only first. Look here. Let A and B be the two rooms. इसमें X students हैं और इसमें Y students. If 10 students has been sent from A to B, then 10 students will be reduced in this room and 10 students will be extra in that room, and such that the number of students in both the rooms will be same. If you collect this, it will become 20. So this is the answer of the first part, that is X minus Y is equal to 20. Second part is, if 20 students sent from B to A, if 20 students sent from B to A, second question is, if 20 students have sent from B to A, अगर 20 student B room से A में send कर दिए जाएं, means 20 student will be reduced in this room and 20 student will be extra added in that room A. Now the condition is, the number of students in A is का मतलब है equal to double the number of students in room B. Is it okay? If 20 students have been sent from B to A, then 20 students will be subtracted. 20 has been sent to A, that 20 students will be added in this room A. Now the number of students in A is का मतलब है equal to twice of the number of students in the room B. X plus 20 is equal to 2y minus 40. X minus 2y plus 60 equal to 0. So this is the answer of the second part, that is X minus 2y is equal to minus 60. This is the answer of the second condition. Now third part is the number of students, find the number of students in A and B room. Means you have got, actually two equations were not given, two equations we have formed. Now you will solve these two equations and you will get the number of students in both the rooms. So third part is, find number of students in A and B room. What you will do? You will solve these two equations. So two equations have already formed. Write these two equations as it is. In this, X is same, having same sign. So if you subtract, the sign will change. So this is plus, this is minus, cancel out, plus minus minus. Sign of the plus, this will be 80. Y is equal to 80. Means 80 students are there in the room B. If you put this 80 in the first equation, x minus y is equal to 20, x minus 80 is equal to 20, x is equal to 100. So number of students in A room is 100, B room is 80. Is it clear? Can you tell me that which type of pair of linear equation is having solution of which type? Does it a unique solution, no solution, infinitely, or none? You have to tell me the type of solution. Type of solution. Actually, we are getting one solution. We are getting one solution. So that means in this you will have a intersecting line and one solution, that is x 100 y 80. So this is your unique solution and the lines are of intersecting type. So the graph of this linear equation, that is fifth part, graph की type बतानी है, that is intersecting lines. Lines we have written, solution we have written, equations we have formed, and solution, particular solution, that is 180 students are there in both the rooms that we have got. Any doubt? The PDF that I have sent you contains case study of all the chapters. So today you will read first 5 case studies of pair of linear equations. And if you will have any doubt, we will discuss tomorrow. Okay, any doubt? Anything you want to ask? Now, let me ask few questions from you so that I can check your clarity of concept. Yes, Ankita?
Yes, ma'am.
What's the condition for unique solution?
A1 is not equal to B1.
What?
Ma'am, what you have asked?
Beta, condition for the unique solution.
Unique solution. Intersecting lines, consistent system of equations.
Ratio batao, ratio.
A1 is not equal to B1.
Beta, you are speaking wrong. A1 upon A2 is not equal to
Sorry,
A1 upon
yes, ma'am.
not equal to B1 upon A2 is the condition for the unique solution. Lines are intersecting and the system of equation is consistent and the lines dependent है कि independent है? Independent है, ठीक है? Yes, गुरसेवक, हर्षदीप, जयादित्य, जपलीन, मिष्टी, yes, look here. X plus 2y minus k equal to 0, 2x minus 3y plus 7 equal to 0. If the system of equation has unique solution, can you tell me the value of k? For which value of k, the system of linear equation has unique solution? For which value of k, the system of equation has unique solution? Aditi, Aditya, Chand,
Yes, ma'am.
can you tell me the possible value of k for which the system of equation has unique solution? What's the condition for unique solution?
Ma'am, x upon
Yes, ma'am.
1 upon 2 plus
Yes, Arman.
मैम के की वैल्यू बतानी है ना आपको?
हाँ जी,
मैम हम कुछ भी ले सकते हैं क्योंकि यूनिक सॉल्यूशन में तो हमें सिर्फ a1 by a2 इज नॉट इक्वल टू b1 by b2 करना है.
A1 upon A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. That is for the unique solution. 1 by 2 is not equal to 1 by 3. That we all know. These two values are not equal. And the possible values of K will be any real number you can take. Then K can take any value from the real number system. So the value of K is any real number.
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम.
हाँ जी.
मैम मेरे को थोड़ी देर पहले नैना का फोन आया था, वो कह रही थी कि वो काफी देर से कनेक्शन ट्राई करने की कोशिश कर रही है पर उसका कनेक्शन ब्रेक हो रहा है बार बार. और
For k is a real number, any real number it can take. For any real number, the system of equation has unique solution.